Hey there, YouTube creators! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips on how to get more views on YouTube. Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining us. If you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and reach a wider audience, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right into it. Tip number 1, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Make sure to include relevant keywords that will help your videos appear in search results. Don't forget to add a compelling thumbnail that grabs attention and accurately represents your video's content. Tip number 2, create high-quality content that adds value to your viewers' lives. Focus on engaging storytelling, delivering useful information, or providing entertainment. Invest in good equipment to improve the production value of your videos. Good lighting, clear audio, and sharp visuals make a big difference. Tip number 3, promote your videos on social media. Share your content on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to reach a wider audience. Engage with your viewers through comments and messages. Building a community around your channel can lead to loyal subscribers and more views. Tip number 4, research and collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Cross-promoting each other's videos can expose your channel to a new audience. Remember, consistency is key. Post regularly and stick to a schedule. This helps your subscribers know when to expect new content from you. Tip number 5, use YouTube analytics to understand your audience better. Identify what's working and what's not. This way, you can adapt your content strategy accordingly. And finally, engage with the YouTube community. Comment on other videos, participate in discussions, and attend creator events to network with fellow YouTubers. And that wraps up our tips on how to get more views on YouTube. Remember, building a successful channel takes time, dedication, and a genuine passion for what you do. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips. Until next time, happy YouTubing! If you have any questions or additional tips you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments section below. See you soon!